Have you ever tried to lose weight? Crash diets, slimming supplements, Google diets, none of them works. When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When the diet is correct, medicine is of no need. The secret of sustainable weight loss is eating well and exercise routine, along with an active lifestyle. Nutrify Me has a holistic approach to weight loss. We provide 3 things as a part of the program. 1. Qualified dietitian who give customized diet plan and tips for healthy lifestyle. 2. Monitoring through our easy-to-use mobile app. 3. Live chat with a dietitian for assistance. What are you waiting for? Start your health journey with Nutrify Me app. One-step app to take care of your diet and fitness plan. Step 1. Go to Google or Play Store, install Nutrify Me app. Fill in the basic information, medical history and food choices. Step 2. Sign up for a diet plan subscription based on your health goal. Step 3. Click on the appointment to book the appointment with our nutritionist, select the convenient date and time. Step 4. Dietitians will connect you through video/audio calls. She will understand your current diet, exercise, sleeping pattern, your medical history and your health goal. Step 5. Get your personalized diet plans based on your medical history and food preference within 24 hours. The weekly plan will be updated based on your progress. Diet plan will include multiple homemade food options which you can easily find in the supermarket. Based on what package you select, there would be regular consultations with nutritionist every 10 days to monitor your progress and adjust diet plans accordingly. If you find any queries, dietitian chat support is available between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday. In addition, you will get water reminders, follow-up notifications, blogs and videos, etc. It's not a short-term diet, it's a lifestyle change. So this app will help you to motivate towards your health goal. Download now Nutrify Me app.